Kolbe folding doors and windows are available with two different sill options, our standard weep sill and the recessed floor sill. The standard weep sill is available in a bronzed anodized aluminum finish or an optional clear anodized aluminum finish. The standard weep sill has weep holes built into the inner track and along the front face, allowing the sill to take in water and weep it away. If impact performance is required, this sill must be utilized. The recessed floor sill features a channel that lays flush with the interior and exterior finish floor, creating a seamless transition from the interior to the exterior of the home. This is ideal for situations where a very low profile is needed. The recessed floor sill features weep holes inside the track along with drainage tubes that need to be fed into a drainage system. To learn more about this and other Kolbe products, visit our website at kolbewindows.com.